Before any storm arrives, before any warning is issued, there is one thing that matters most: a plan. Not a complicated plan, not a perfect plan, a simple one that everyone understands. What kind of plan? Where you will go, how you will communicate, and what you will do if you are separated. Start with a meeting place, somewhere safe, somewhere everyone knows, somewhere you can reach without confusion. Well, I'll just call everybody. And if the power is out, Sonny, if the phones are down, that's a problem. Exactly. Do not rely on one method. Have a plan that works, even when things stop working. If you have children, they need to know the plan. If you have pets, they are part of the plan. So everybody knows what to do before anything happens? Yes, because during an emergency, you will not have time to figure it out. A simple plan, followed calmly, is stronger than panic. Thank you for watching the Earth, Moon, Sun Show. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.